All right, guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to talk about how to learn how to do bookkeeping, especially if you're a tax professional. So let's get started. All right, guys, so welcome. First, quick introduction. If you are new to me, my name is Krista Tyus, and I help tax and accounting professionals get more clients using social media so that you can scale multiple six figures with your virtual tax and bookkeeping firm. I've successfully grown and actually sold my very own tax and bookkeeping practice, and now I teach you guys how to do the same, how to scale to the level that you desire, and how to, most importantly, get clients consistently. So today's video is really geared around learning bookkeeping, especially if you are a tax professional, right? So when I first started this business, I started on the tax side, right? I got into the business. I'm like, okay, what all do I need to know? You know, I need to get a PTIN, I need to get an EFIN, I need to get tax software. I need to actually know how to do and prepare taxes. And I went down this journey just really thinking that I was going to offer tax preparation services, right? I got licensed as an enrolled agent. And as I ended my very first tax season, I realized that, holy crap, I don't have any more money coming in, right? And yes, you can do taxes all year round. There are a lot of my clients, I show them how to get tax clients all year round, tax resolution clients, tax planning clients. But back in the day, little old me did not know how to get tax preparation or any other type of client after tax season, right? Tax season, everybody has, over 200 million people have a filing requirement. So the demand is already there. You pretty much just gotta let people know what you do, how you help, and it's pretty much fail proof, guys, to just get tax clients, right? Because like I said, the demand for tax preparation is already there. However, after tax season, after April 15th, normally the demand greatly diminishes, right? There are still several million people that still have a filing requirement that are not going to probably file, or that are going to owe the Internal Revenue Service and they need some actual tax resolution service, right? But after the demand sizzles, now you have to work harder in order to attract tax clients, right? So here's where my dilemma was. I didn't have any income coming in after April 15th, right? And I'm like, I refuse to go back to my 9-to-5 job. I had already quit my bank job at Chase Bank, a lovely company to work for, by the way. I had quit that job, and I just refused to go back to corporate America, because honestly, once you get a taste of, being self-employed, you don't want to go back to being, micromanaged or, working under very, rigorous conditions, right? Corporate conditions. So I said, how can I add additional revenue to my tax business that will complement the service, right? So obviously bookkeeping came up. My dilemma was, I didn't know how to do bookkeeping. I'm like, how do you do bookkeeping? What really is bookkeeping? QuickBooks was out, of course, they're like the godfather of the industry. But I didn't know, and I didn't have, experience in bookkeeping. Yes, I had some, I maybe touched on some, financial acumen in college, or some accounting basics in college. But at the end of the day, that's not the same. I never actually helped a business client with their books, right? So I didn't know the tangible steps to take. And I was completely, not confident taking on a bookkeeping client. So I went on this journey. And so in this video today, I'm pretty much just going to speed up your journey, right? I'm going to give you everything that I wish I would have known several years ago. I'm going to give it to you right now. So take notes. So the very first thing that you want to do when you're offering bookkeeping service, whether you're just starting a bookkeeping business or you're actually smart and you're going to add it to your tax preparation business, you just need to first know the basics, right? You need to understand, what bookkeeping is. You need to understand credits and debits. Write this down. You need to understand the accounting equation, which is assets, liabilities, and equity, right? You need to understand the general ledger, the chart of accounts, trial balance, right? Once you have these foundational pieces in place, then you have the basic knowledge to actually work in software. Right? So it's kind of like tax preparation, right? I did a video on how to learn how to do tax preparation. Once you understand tax law, right? Credits, deductions, income, filing status. Now you need to actually know how to do tax preparation, which is just entering the information into your software. Bookkeeping is the exact same way. You just need to know your bookkeeping basics. And then once you understand that, now you need to understand how to navigate the software and properly enter the data, right, for your clients and how to extract the data, right? So here's what I'm going to take you, because I didn't know this, and when I did figure it out, I had to figure it out. I was on a struggle bus to try to figure it out. So my hope is that I'm going to help speed up the process for you. So what I'm going to do is quickly share my screen, and I'm going to go to QuickBooks, right? So QuickBooks has a very specific software for accountants. This is where you're going to run your bookkeeping business, right? So if you want to get there, Google QuickBooks Online Accountant. This is what I want you to put into your Google bar, right? You want to navigate to the QuickBooks Online Accountant, grow and manage your firm. And this is completely free. Guess what? Hashtag to QuickBooks. They're trying to sell this software, right? Because they know if they offer it to you for free, that you're going to get your clients to work on it. So this is just a smart marketing ploy for them, right? I love it. So you want to actually sign up for their QuickBooks Online Accountant version. And I'm curious, okay, I'm not even gonna go there. So you want to sign up for their QuickBooks Online Accountant software. And then once you do, you're going to have your own QuickBooks Online Accountant program. Okay. This is where you're actually going to manage all of your clients. And actually, I'll do a separate video on how to onboard your clients and everything, and utilizing QuickBooks, like all the steps that you guys need to do when you're onboarding your bookkeeping clients, so you can make sure that you're confident doing that. But I want you to navigate to the training. So when you're actually in your QuickBooks profile, right here on the left-hand side, right here, you can click to this Pro Advisor tab, right? You have benefits. You do get certain benefits when you become a Pro Advisor, and they have the training. So when I click on this training, it takes me to this training portal right here. This is where I want you to start, right? Because, and I told you guys, this is absolutely free for accountants. So what you want to do is you want to click on this featured course of bookkeeping principles, and they have about 2.5 hours of a course just giving you some really solid fundamentals, right? Transaction entry, receipts, disbursements, and financial statements. And they even have even more courses that you can take to further, reiterate what you're learning, or to further learn additional concepts in bookkeeping. Now, I didn't know this just until recently that Intuit, the company that owns QuickBooks, they are a registered National Association of State Boards of Accountancy, which means that some of the courses in here you can actually get CPE credit for, which is amazing, right? And it's free. Did I say that? Okay, so here's what you want to do. You want to take their bookkeeping principles course. And down here, they have very specialty courses, right? Bookkeeping principles, QuickBooks for self-employed, T-sheets, payroll, right? People ask me about payroll all the time. Listen, go in here, take the free payroll course. Then they teach you on all of the actual QuickBooks software. Now, what you want to do, you do want to become a QuickBooks Pro Advisor. Again, it's free, and it's going to walk you through becoming certified with QuickBooks or in QuickBooks, right? So right here, this QuickBooks Online certification, it's 8 modules, it's 7.5 hours, and it actually contributes 14.5 CPE credits, right? And it's self-paced, so it's just an online course that you can take, and at the end, you can take this exam and you will become certified. This is what I did when I first started to offer bookkeeping. So this right here, guys, will give you everything that you need to understand the basic principles of bookkeeping, what it is, right? And all of the, very specific types of bookkeeping that you're going to be doing. And then you're going to walk through QuickBooks on how to actually, run the software, right? How do you view your clients' QuickBooks Online? How do you bring in your clients' data into QuickBooks Online? This is going to walk you through end-to-end, step-by-step process. Now, I would give yourself about no more than 14 days because, we're very analytical people, you and I, right? And we would, what they call analysis paralysis by analysis, right? This is what happens to you and me. We analyze and analyze and analyze and analyze. And do we know everything? We want to know everything before we go take action. What I want you to do, I just want you to sign up for QuickBooks Online Accountant, take the free bookkeeping courses, become certified in QuickBooks Online, become a pro advisor, and then I want you to start getting bookkeeping clients. Okay? Yes. I want you to give yourself 14 days. And after 14 days time of you geeking out on this, go get some clients. Don't disappoint me now, okay? Now, if you need help and if you need support on actually getting the bookkeeping clients, right, I do have my signature program called Tax and Accounting Clients on Demand, where I work with you for a year to help you get clients using social media. My clients are booking bookkeeping clients every single week, tax clients, tax resolution clients, tax planning clients, CFO clients, every single week using social media, right? So if you want to learn these strategies, I'm going to put the program information, I'm going to put the link below so you can check it out. All right, so a quick recap. If you want to learn bookkeeping fast, you just want to know the basics, go to QuickBooks Online and get the basics, right? Take and become a QuickBooks Pro Advisor. After you do that, you actually want to start working in the software. So what I typically tell my clients to do is onboard yourself, right? QuickBooks Online Accountant allows you to do your own bookkeeping. So you can actually go in there and sync your bank accounts, and I actually want you to start doing your own bookkeeping, right? Run your own profit and loss, reconcile your own bank statement. You want to be your first client. After you are confident with doing your own bookkeeping, you're able to pull your own profit and loss, your balance sheet, your cash flow, then I want you to go out and get a client, right? So do your own bookkeeping first and then go out and get your first client. And this is where that real world experience is going to come in from. You now have the theory, you have the practice because you did it yourself. And now we actually need to apply it and make sure that, we provide the best service possible. The best part about growing an online business or any business at all is that if you don't know something, it's okay, right? Go ask, right? Go figure it out, go research it. You have resources, or you can join a mentorship program, something like mine. There are other mentorship programs out there, but you want to have a community of people that you can go to and ask very specific bookkeeping or tax questions to. Right? All right, guys, that's it for this training video. Super fast, but super powerful, because after this video ends, you can go right to QuickBooks right now, start geeking out on bookkeeping, start doing your own bookkeeping, and then immediately adding bookkeeping services to your tax business so you can increase your revenue. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.